State true or false. The rational number minus 8 upon minus 3 lies neither to the right nor to the left of 0 on the number line. What does this mean? Neither to the right neither nor to the left. It means it lies on 0. So is this the case? Let's check. This minus minus gets cancelled. Okay. So it becomes 8 upon 3. Now it is positive number. On a number line, all positive numbers are to the right of the 0 and negative numbers are to the left of 0. So that's why the number 8 by 3 will lie to the right side of 0. So it is false. Next, a rational number 1 by 2 and 5 by 2 are on the opposite side of 0 on the number line. That is again false because it lies on the same side. Both are positive. We just now saw it. Both are positive, so right side. So next, 0 is the smallest rational number. That is again false because why? All these numbers on the number line which are shown are rational plus irrational. So both numbers can be shown on this. So definitely rational numbers will go up to infinity on this side and minus infinity on this side. So is 0 the smallest rational number? No. There are many rational numbers on left side also. For every rational number x, x plus 1 equals to x. That is false. Quite logical. 5 is a rational number. Is 5 plus 1 equals to 5? No, 5 plus 1 is 6. So that's why it is false. I would suggest you learn tables up to 30 by heart, squares up to 30 by heart, and cubes up to 15 by heart. We have separate videos for that. Sing behind those videos on a daily basis for a span of 3 months, and you'll learn all the tables up to 30, squares up to 30, and cubes up to 15 by heart within a span of 3 months. But do it on a daily